Hello student, I am going to start the same topic, that is maxima and minima. Question number 7. A square piece of tin side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flap to form the box. What should be the side of square to be cut off so that the volume of box is maximum possible? This is the question number 17. Square tin of side 18 centimeter. This is square tin. This is also 18 centimeter. All sides are equal. And the square corner to be cut. Square corner to be cut. These corner. Let the side of scale be x. Let the side of scale be x. And the remaining sheet, after cutting the square corner, the remaining sheet fold such that with the help of sheet you can create a open box. Clear? Let the side of square cut, let the side of square cut at the corner, that is x centimeter. X centimeter, correct? And this is x and this is also x. Now can you tell me the length of this portion? Length of box, that is 18 minus 2x centimeter. And breadth, of the box also 18 minus 2x centimeter. And the height, of the box, height mean this portion, this is the height of the box and this is equal to x. Therefore height of the box is x. Now can you tell me the volume of cuboid, volume of box, formula LBH, length into breadth into height, 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into x. Maximize the volume. Maximize the volume, right? And you know that volume already in one variable. Therefore, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Apply here product rule. 18 minus 2x whole square as it is, and the derivative of x 1, x as it is, and the derivative of this portion, derivative 2, 18 minus 2x, and the derivative of 18 minus 2x, that is minus 2. 18 is the constant term, derivative of constant term is 0. Now you can take common, 18 minus 2x common, therefore 18 minus 2x here, this will be common, 2 into 4 minus 4x. When you simplify, 18 minus 2x, here 18 minus 6x, put dv by dx is equal to 0. put dv by dx is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, then x is equal to 9. If this is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. But it is not possible. But it is not possible. Because because if we cut 9 centimeter from this side and 9 centimeter from this side, therefore there is no length of the box. How is it possible? Therefore this is the possible. Now find second order derivative. Second order derivative of this question. D square v upon dx square 18 minus 2x as it is, and the derivative of this minus 6x plus 18 minus 6x as it is, derivative of this minus 2. Now put x is equal to 3. When you put x is equal to 3, the answer, when you put here 3, 3 6 are 18, 18 minus 18 0. This complete becomes 0. This complete becomes 0. Put here 3, 3 to the 6. 18 minus 6, that is 12. 12 into minus 6, minus 72, which is less than 0. You know that is second order derivative less than 0, it means maximum. Therefore you can say volume of the box is maximum if x is equal to 3. This is the solution of this question. Clear? In this question we have to maximize the volume of the box. Clear? Next question. Question number 18 as it is, same procedures, same question. In this question sheet, and in question number 18 the sheet is rectangular, same formula you can apply. Volume of the box, length into breadth into height. Now next question, question number 19. Question number 19. Show that of all the rectangle inscribed in the given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. Show that of all the rectangle inscribed in a circle, the square has the maximum area. This is the question. Clear? Draw a circle. Draw a circle, and inside the circle draw a rectangle. This is rectangle A, B, C. This is the center O. This is 90 degree. Let A be X and B C Y. Let A be X, B C Y. You know that if angle B is 90 degree, it means the chord opposite to this angle. Chord opposite to this angle is the diameter, because you know that angle inside circle is 90 degree. Therefore you can say AC is the diameter. Let this is equal to R, radius of the circle, this is also R, and we want to prove that this rectangle is square. Rectangle becomes square when length is equal to breadth, x is equal to y. So your target is prove that x is equal to y. In triangle ABC, x square plus y square is equal to 2r whole square. R plus R 2r complete. This is first equation, and the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Maximize. Now before derivative, convert it into one variable with the help of this. Put the value of y. 4r square minus x square. Clear? Now can derivative. If in the question root is given, then squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. That is a square is equal to x square 4r square minus x square. Let a square is equal to z. You can give another name of this. Let a square is equal to z, or you can write a square is equal to f of x, because the expression is in the form of x. X is the variable, r is a fix. Because given circle, it means radius is fixed. X is the variable. So therefore you can write here z. Let x square is equal to a square is equal to z, or you can write f of x. Now multiply 4r square x square minus x to the power 4. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. dz upon dx. That is 8r square x minus 4x cube. Put this is equal to 0. Take common 4x. 2r square minus x square is equal to 0. But you know that x is not equal to 0. Therefore x square is equal to 2r square. X square is equal to 2r square. Put this value in first. Put in first. X square is equal to 2r square. Put here. 2r square plus y square is equal to 4r square. Y square is equal to 2r square. You know that x square is equal to 2r square and y square is equal to 2r square. Therefore you can say x square is equal to y square, x is equal to y. Now find second order derivative. Second order derivative of this, d square z upon dx square. Second order derivative of this. 4r square is the coefficient. Now tell me the derivative of x square. Derivative of x square, this portion. The derivative of 8r square x. The derivative of x is 1. Therefore 8r square, and the derivative of this 12x square. Derivative of this portion, because we want to find the second order derivative. D square z by dx square. In this put x square is equal to 2r square. Put x square is equal to 2r square. Therefore 8r square minus 12 into 2r square. 8r square minus 24r square. 8r square minus 24r square, that is equal to minus 16r square, which is less than 0. If second order derivative is less than 0, therefore you can say the area is maximum. Area is maximum if A, B, C, D is a square. A, B, C, D is a square. Clear? This is question number 19. Again, in this question, what is given? Prove that in a circle, if all the rectangle, what is question? If all the rectangle inscribed in a circle, if all the rectangle inscribed in a circle, then prove that the square has the maximum area. Square is the maximum area. So in this question, circle is given. Construct a rectangle inside the circle, and this is x and this is y and this is radius. So whole complete become 2r. In this triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem. X square plus y square is equal to 2r square, and we have to maximize the area of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle, formula length into breadth. Put the value of y here, from here, because before derivative convert into one variable. You can put here the value of y, or you can put here the value of x also. Put the value of y from here, then squaring both sides. This is the main step. Squaring both sides, because the root is here. Squaring both sides. A square x square is, put the value of a square z. In every question put z, or you can put f of x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. After that put x is equal to 0. The result is x square is equal to 2r square, and put x square is equal to 2r square in this equation. From here you will get y square is equal to 2r square. On comparing x square is equal to y square, it means x is equal to y. Therefore you can say ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. After that find its second order derivative. Second order derivative of this portion. Derivative of x is 1, so therefore 8x square, 8r square. Derivative of 4x cube, 12x square. Put the value of x square here given. Therefore after simplification minus 16 r square, and if that r square is positive, therefore this is always less than 0. If second order derivative is less than 0, then area is maximum. Therefore you can say area is maximum if ABCD is a square. Clear? So try to solve this type of question. We'll start from question number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Clear? Then revise thoroughly question number 13 to 20. 30 to 20. 20 you can solve. This is your homework. Thank you.